Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm racing at Redwood Outlaw Karts for points race number 5. I just finished my qualifying, I'm a little bit sweaty. I'm about to grab my hat, but I just wanted to say, I don't know, my hair, it's not too noticeable, but nobody can notice it if I have the hat on. I wanted a mullet, so I got one. Isn't really too good. I mean, it's good, but it's like a mini one. So it's like short, it could be shorter, long in the back, and I got foots in qualifying. But I'm yanking it too much, and so I think my camera's shaking, just my arm is tired from yanking it too much. Shouldn't be yanking it that much, but in 3 and 4, I am turning the wheel. The track is super duper tacky. It's like a really drippy on the top. I saw one of the beginners. It was Campbell, number 13 car. He was ripping on the outside, and he was doing really good for being a beginner. But I just finished. I got 11 flat. Too much yanking in 3 and 4, but I'll see you guys all after heat 1. I am starting first because I qualified first. So let's see how I do, and I'll see you guys all after heat 1. Hey guys, I just finished my heat 1. I started first and finished first. The track is really grippy out there and a lot of fun out there. You can really work to the top and get all sideways. I think that the track is awesome, and there was a caution that came out and the starts were really good. I maintained the bottom. It felt like I was doing a mini Pop Willie, I don't know, but one at the bottom, the track is really grippy. I love the track right now. It's been a long time working on it, but I'll see you guys all after heat 2. Since I qualified first, I'm gonna start 4th, and I'll see you guys all after heat 2. hat. Big carts going on, flat carts coming off. I think I did really good there. I don't think I made any mistakes. Started last, I got into second, and then I tried to work the outside. I think that's what happened. I was in third, and then I went back to fourth. Unfortunately, in the 64 car of Logan Fonson, unfortunately his chain fell off, so he couldn't finish the race. Here he is right here. He's gonna be in the video after the main. But I'll see you guys after the main event. I'm gonna roll the dice. Don't know when I'm starting yet. But hopefully I do good. Last time I've gotten 6s all the time. I'm gonna try to like spin or do it with my pinky or do it with it, I don't know, do it differently. So I'll see you guys off the main, and hopefully I did a good starting position.
Hey guys, it's kind of rainy and the quads are out there. It's slowly going down, misting here and there. We're still going, but the quads are out there. They put the flat in front of us, so we're gonna wait a little bit. But I'm chilling the cart right now, but I think we're gonna keep stuff going. It's been raining on and off all day, and there's definitely been pauses today.
Hey guys, I finished my main, and this is one of my friends. He races in my class on the number 64. And how did you do?
Fine.
We had pretty good fun out there, right?
Yeah. It was a good
Um,
track today.
I definitely made some mistakes in the main, but how did you do?
I mean, I did good. I got third place.
I just finished my A main, or the main event. I started last. Rolled the dice, a 5. I spinned, closed my eyes and shook my butt. Still didn't work, got last place. Every single time I've gotten last place. But it's okay. The track is really slippery. It was a big delay. I had to go to the bathroom. It was a delay. I was sitting in my car for like 30 minutes. It was crazy. So I think it got me off my mind. The bottom was not working at all. You could put very light throttle on it, but the top was really working. So me and Paisley and us just definitely worked on the top. Sometimes I came in too early, but I got in my groove, worked on the outside, back and forth, like 4 or 5 laps maybe, and then I got loose. Paisley put in front, or went in front, and I worked my way back, keep on doing it. And my buddy has a YouTube channel, the 64 Kart Load and Fonson, so make sure to subscribe to Outlaw PJ and Humble Off-Road. It was pretty fun. Thank you guys for watching so much. But yeah, I think I did pretty good. Paisley, she did awesome. The number 5 car, 64, he did great. 16 of Henry, he did great. Everybody did great there. Thank you to my partners for being a part of our racing program. Make sure to comment down below and hit that notification bell so you never ever miss a video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.